So the gopis go on. Anyway, what is the use of unnecessarily criticizing these Dhamvasis? Because they said, oh, they're hard-hearted. Because the implication is, as the gopis indicated earlier, that as they're addressing, they're saying, listen, oh plants and oh Malati and Malika and Jutika, you're living in Brajadam. Hasn't your heart become softened? Because this is the Chintamani Bhumi, this is Prem Bhumi. This land is a land of transformation. This land is a land of elevation. This land is a land of mukti. If one dies in this land, he goes to Krishna. It's telling in Mathura Mahatmyam, quoting Padma Puran. Sri Krishna is speaking to Yudhisthira, Mamalayam, yati mamalayam. If one dies in Brajmandal, it doesn't say Premi Bhakta, Bhava Bhakta, it doesn't say any kind of Bhakta. Insect, dacoit, gunda, kuta, pakshi, bandur, admi, stri, patni, monkey, machli. Anyone who dies in Vrindavan, mamalayam, they come to my alayam. Mom, Krishna doesn't live in Vaikuntha. Krishna lives in Golokadam, Vrindavan, Gokul Dham, Braja Gokul. This is Dham Kripa. This is a phenomenal Achintya Shakti of Brajadam. Oh, one lives here for 60 years. He's doing bhajan. And then in his 61st year, his granddaughter comes from Calcutta and takes the Bengali Baba to Agra, and he dies in Agra. And if he's very elevated in consciousness, maybe he goes to Krishna. But not by dying in Agra or in any other place can you go to Krishna without any bhajan or without any spiritual position. This is a speciality of Brajadam. So how is it 65 years doing bhajan and Shud Achar, pure Maryada, no aparad, but somehow dying in Delhi? There's no guarantee. So Radharani Icha, as the Indians say, Bhagavan Icha. I've seen it. I was living here 30 years. I've seen so many big sadhus, big devotees, Goswamis. I can't say the position of their consciousness. And in sixth chapter of Bhagavad Gita, verse 44, it says, Purva Abhyasena. And English is telling a person who does, because Krishna is being asked by Arjuna, what is the fate of the unsuccessful yogi? Yoga brushed. Brushed means your yoga, your bhakti yoga, your gyan yoga, karma yoga is brushed. It's khanda, broken. We don't attain siddhi or kaivalya mukti or prem or golok prapti. Flop show. What happens? And then Krishna says in the next life, different verses, a series of verses. Suchinam Shrimatam Gehe Yoga Brashta Bijayate. 641, 2, 3, 4. 644, he's telling, this is about future, because we're all yogis, we're all practicing yoga. And back to yoga. Yoginam api sarvesham yatgat tinetaratma sharavan bhajate yaman sama yuktatma mataha. This is in the 6th chapter of Gita, verse 47. Krishna is saying, oh, there's so many types of yogis. Yoginam api sarvesham, of all, sarva yogis, sarva yogi, many yogis. Bhogi, yogi, rogi. Now that one yogi became rogi, now he's speaking. So the Kasi Yoga. So this is Krishna's telling of all the yogis, one who has Shraddha, Shraddhavan, and this famous Bengali Acharya, Shraddhavan Janahe, Shraddhavan Janahe. As Thakur Bhakti Vinod sang a song. Shraddhavan Janahe, what's the rest of it? I don't remember. He said, oh, men of faith, Shraddhavan Janahe. Aparada, Shraddhavan Janahe. Oh yeah, Krishna Pita, Krishna Mata, Krishna Pranadan, Krishna Mata, Krishna Pita, Krishna Pranadan, Shraddhavan Janahe, Shraddhavan Janahe, Shadavanjana he, Shadavanjana he. Krishna is my mother, and Krishna is my father, and Krishna is the wealth of my life. Krishna Pita, Krishna Mata, Krishna Pranadan. We have this faith? So this is the mercy of Krishna.